Today we'll cook custard. It can be used to make desserts. We'll need the following ingredients. Let's get down to the job. Let us take 3 eggs and separate the whites from yolks. Pour the yolks into a separate container. Add 50 grams of sugar powder. Then add 50 grams of a 10% cream. Keep whisking. The cream helps dissolve the sugar better. Take another vessel and heat the remaining 150 grams of 10% cream until it boils. Reduce the heat and pour in the yolks in a thin trickle while constantly stirring. Try to make the mix as hot as 80 to 90 degrees centigrade or 180 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, but do not let it boil while constantly stirring it. The continuous stirring guarantees there are going to be no lumps. As soon as the mixture has got heated to 80 to 90 degrees centigrade or 190 degrees Fahrenheit, put this vessel into a bigger vessel filled with cold water. As a result, you will get a very firm cream with a homogeneous texture. It can be used for making cream cakes, casseroles, desserts. You can find the examples of how to use it in related videos.